Safe fire, okay?
Mm-mm.
So when you're ready to fire, and then it's loaded.
Loaded.
Right, so when you go to loaded, you flip it from safety, okay? And then this gun, okay?
So loud.
Yeah, we're going up. Oh, that one wasn't fully loaded.
But
That, empty.
empty. Ready, love?
Go ahead, babe. Are you good? You ready?
Ready, my loves? Wow.
Huh.
Wow.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, my love.
All right, go ahead, babe.
Is it ready na ba?
Did you push that button?
Not yet.
Okay, now it's ready, babe.
Wait a minute. It's so
Yeah, just be careful with it, okay? Hold it. Hold it tight.
here.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's loaded. This is the safety. Okay, so you can't. Alright. Okay, are you ready? This is loud.
Loud again.
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready, my loves.
Okay?
Yes, my loves.
Alright. Go ahead, babe.
I like it.
Huh?
I like this.
Okay, hang on, there's a car coming.
This nice
Get it?
sounds.
In front and in the back.
Yeah.
Ready, love?
Go ahead, babe.
My loves.
Babe, go ahead. Shoot a 30-30.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I got it.
It's so pretty.
Hold it down further, babe, because it's kicking up too far in the front, right? So hold it tighter. There you go.
That's it?
That's whatever you want to do. Well, hang on, honey, because that gun's loaded. All right, go ahead.
Ready, loves?
Go ahead.